dear kids, good morning and welcome to today's class. Okay, I hope you guys are doing good. Do watch the video, math class videos or whatever doubt you have, just ask me. Okay, so last class we seen some of the formulas related to this metric measures, and right, so measures of length, measures of weight, measures of capacity. Okay, so today we're gonna continue with how to convert the higher units to lower units. Which, see, we have kilometer problem is there, kilogram problem is there, kiloliter problem is there. Okay, we're gonna see one by one. Okay guys, shall we go? Before that, take your workout note and get ready. Okay guys, okay my dear students, let's move on to the very first problem. Here we are going to convert higher, we are going to see how to convert higher units to lower units. Okay, the very first problem, convert 2 kilometer 500 meter to meters, higher to low. Okay, higher to low. So at the solution, here our question is 2 kilometer 500 meter. So how to convert this kilometer? To convert this kilometer to meter, multiply with 1000. Okay, 2 into 1000 meter plus this 500 meter. Okay, so 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 2 kilometers is equal to 2 into 1000 meters. Okay, that's equal to 2000 meter plus 500 meter. That's equal to 2500 meter. Are you clear guys? Likewise, our next problem, convert 9 kg 400 gram to gram. Okay, see, write the solution. 9 kg 400 gram is equal to, okay, kg to kilogram to gram. So 9 into 1000 gram plus 400 gram. Okay, are you clear? That's equal to 9000 gram plus 400 gram. It is simple. That's equal to 9400 grams. This is the answer. Okay guys, are you clear? Yes, 9000 plus 400 gives you 9400 grams. This is the answer. Okay. See our next question, convert 7 kiloliter 65 liter to liter. As usual, see our question, 7 kiloliter 65 liter is equal to, so 7 into 1000 liter plus 65 liter, that's equal to 7 into 1000 gives you 7000 liter plus 65 liter, that's equal to 7065 liter. Are you clear guys? Yes, these are very simple things. So this is, don't forget, this is conversion of higher units to lower units. Okay, next we gonna see how to convert lower units to higher units. Okay guys? Okay guys, our next question is, convert 5642 millimeter to meter. Here we want to convert the lower unit to higher unit. We know that 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay guys, this is the formula. Okay, now 5642 millimeter is equal to, how to do that? So before that we want to find what is 1 millimeter, right? So from this, how to write? 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. Okay, 1 by 1000 meter. Okay guys, are you clear? Now come to this, 5642 millimeter is equal to 5642 into 1 by 1000 meter. Okay, here we convert millimeter to meter. If you want to convert millimeter to meter, divide by 1000. Okay, divide by 1000. So already we learned this thing, division by 10, 100 and 1000. If denominator contain 30, the condition is there should be 3 numbers should be there after the decimal. This is the decimal point. So this is our number. So after the decimal there should be 3 decimal point. After decimal point, there should be 3 numbers. So choose from your right to left. Write the 3 decimal numbers here. 6, 4, 2, 5 here. Okay, so answer is 5.642 meter. Okay, are you clear, guys? Okay, our next example, convert 472 milligram to grams. Okay, so we know 1000 milligram is equal to, as usual, what we seen before, okay, is equal to 1 gram. So from that 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. Okay, 1 by 1000 gram. So 472 milligram is equal to 472 into 1 by 1000 gram. So divide 472 divided by 1000. Okay, which gives you, so we know after the decimal there should be 3 numbers should be there. Here we have 3 numbers. So keep the decimal point, write the numbers as it is, keep the 0. So 0.472 gram is the answer. So the answer is 0.472 gram. Okay, guys. Our next question, convert 36 centiliter 25 milliliter into liters. So solution, we know 1 centiliter is equal to 10 milliliter. Okay, how to then find 36 centiliter? 36 centiliter is equal to 36 into 10 milliliter. That's equal to 360 milliliter. Okay, are you clear, guys? Now write the full question. Okay, what's the full question? 36 centiliter 25 milliliter, that's equal to 36 centiliter is equal to 360 milliliter plus this 25 milliliter. Are you clear, guys? Yes. First we want to convert the centiliter to milliliter. Next, afterwards, instead of 36 centiliter, write 360 milliliter plus this 25 milliliter. Now you want to add 360 plus 25. Okay, we will get that to 385 milliliter. Now we want to convert this milliliter to liters. We know that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Yes, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Now 385 milliliter is equal to 385 into 1 by 1000 liter. Okay, so 385 divided by 1000. Okay, so denominator containing 30, so there should be 3 numbers should be there after the decimal. The 3 number is 385. Okay, so 0.385 liter is the answer. Are you clear, my dear kids? So our next section is addition. Okay, addition of metric measures. So in this addition of metric measures, here the question is add 38 kg 560 gram and 49 kg 120 gram. Okay. So we have write the units kg and gram. So kg, gram. Okay. So first we have 38, write the 38 kg and 560 gram. Here 49 kg 120 gram. Add. So use the plus symbol. Now our normal addition, add it. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. Please, that's why I told you to take your workout note whenever I am doing such calculation. Guys, please do along with me. Okay. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. Now 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7 as 1 as carry forward. Okay. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4 gives you 8. So answer is 87 kg, 680 gram. This is the answer. Okay, very simple. Okay. So the next question is subtraction. Okay, subtraction of metric measures. The question is subtract 9 kg 65 gram from 25 kg. So subtraction we already know. The number comes after the from we want to write first. So as usual write kg and gram. The number comes after the from you want to write first. Am right? So 21 kilogram, 500 gram, 9 kilogram and 650 gram. Okay, likewise write like this and put this subtraction. Simple. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5. So whenever you are doing this calculation, guys, please do along with me. Okay. 0 minus 5. So borrow. Here come 4. Here 10 minus 5 gives you 5. 4 and 6 is not possible. So borrow from here. Okay. Now 14. 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6. 8. Here 0. Here, so borrow 1 from here, it become 10 and here become 1. Okay. 10 minus 9, 1. Write the 1 as it is. Okay, here nothing is there, so it becomes 1. Now, what is the answer? Is 11 kg and 850 gram. Okay. Are you clear, guys? Likewise, your textbook contain more calculation, subtraction and addition are 3 problems regarding. So one, we discussed this problem, this first problem. So do the remaining 2 as well as do the subtraction problem. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, our next section is multiplication of metric measures. Our question is multiply 23 kilogram 425 gram by 12. Okay. First, write the question. 23 kilogram 425 gram, right, together. Okay, so 23.425 kilogram, right, like this. Okay, now we are going to multiply this 23.425 into 12. First, you should do one thing, ignore the decimal and multiply. Afterwards we can keep the decimal point. Okay, so our question is like this now. 23.425 into 12. Ignore the decimal and multiply first. Afterwards, we can keep the decimal point. Okay. So 23425. Okay. Into 12. Okay. Guys, please do the calculation. 5 2s are 10. 1, 2 2s are 4. 5, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 is carry forward, 2 2s are 4 and 5. Okay, are you clear, guys? Now the next step, 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 4 is 4, 1 3 is 3, 1 2 is 2. Okay, add the 2. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, plus 1, 11, on us carry forward, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 5 plus 3, 8, is 2. So you will get as 2,87,100. Okay, so don't forget about the decimal point. Here we have 3, here in the question contains 23.425 kilogram. So after decimal there are 3 decimal places are there. After decimal point there are 3 digits are there. I am right. So here our answer is, here the answer is 2,87,100. So here also keep the decimal point. From your right to left, count the 3 places, 1, 2, 3 and keep the decimal point. So the answer is 287.100 kg. Okay, are you clear, guys? Do the multiplication as usual. Afterwards, count the decimal point. How much is there in the question? Keep the decimal point as it is in the answer also. Okay, count from your right to left. Okay guys, are you clear? Next, division of metric measures. The question is divide 148 kilometer 420 meter by 4. First, write like this: 148 kilometer 420 meter, that's equal to what we seen before as same. Okay, so write together 148.420 kilometer. Okay, now 148.420 divided by 4. Here also ignore the 0, do the division. Afterwards we can keep the decimal point. Okay. So kindly do along with me guys. 4. This is the answer. This is the place for quotient. Okay. Here, 4 3s are 12, and right? So remaining 2, bring down this 8, 7 4s are 28, so remainder 0. Bring down this 4, yes, 1 4 is 4, so you'll get the answer 0. Bring down this 2, so 2 is smaller and right. Yes, bring down the next number also. Use the 0 here. So 20 we know. 5 4s are 20. So the answer is, you will get the quotient as 37105. This is our quotient. Yes. Again I am rewriting this answer here. Now we want to keep the decimal. In our question also we have, after decimal point here how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So count so in the answer also there should be 3 numbers should be there after the decimal point. So count from your right to left. Keep after the 3 digit, keep the decimal point. So the answer is 37.105. This is the answer. Kilometer. Okay, the unit is kilometer. Are you clear guys? Yes. So hope you guys understand this session. So please go through the exercise problem as well as example problems. Okay, whatever you can, just try to do the exercise problems. Okay, so whatever doubt you have, just ask me. I will clear it. I will clear your doubts. Okay, so after finishing each and every works guys, don't forget to take a snapshot and send to me. Okay guys, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.